Good morning mula dito sa Czech Republic. Makapal pa rin ang snow after 36 hours. Ito yung makikita mo natin mula sa attic dito sa Kinahana. Ganda ng view, di ba? Maganda lang yung snow. Pero ang lamig, sobrang lamig. Siguro nasa minus 4 na tayo. Freezer na tayo. Nasa freezer. Nasa loob na tayo ng freezer. Okay. Babaan natin si Sofia kasi hindi siya pumasok sa school. Ubot sipon din siya after ng long competition kahapon. Pag-uwi niya talagang masama yung pakiramdam niya. Kaya hindi ko na siya pinapasok sa school. Babaan natin siya. Siguro dahil sa panahon sa klima. Kaya ubot sipon. Sa England, wala akong ganito gaano. Kasi meron akong free flu shots sa England. So, dito wala. So, sabi ko kaya na kung may time magpa-flu shot ako. Maganda yon yung protection sa mga flu. Okay, so baba natin si Sofia. Sisi, let's go. Nakakulang kami sa bahay. Para kami may karamdaman. Para hindi mabore. Laro tayo ng chess. So, yan. Habang nagluluto ng sinabawan. Kahapon nagustuhan ni Sofia yung nilaga kong baka. Did you like my beef soup yesterday? Mm-hmm. Yeah, today again because we finished it. So I cook again nilagang ribs. Okay. Ito, tamang-tama talaga to sa ubo si Puno. Buto. Yan. Buo yan. Tapos nilagyan ko ng noodles. Yan. Pangsabaw. Paborito ni Sofia to. Yung tama. Pasabaw-sabaw tayo ngayong winter. Kasi ang lakas ng snow kahapon. Yun. Tapos lalagay ko pa to. Ito, lalagay ko pa to. Pagkulo niyan. Ayun, kumukulo na. Pwede na ilagay. Yun. Yan. Takpan natin. 1 minute. We're gonna have a nice soup. Yesterday we had also soup. That was beef. And then this one is pork bones. This one is pork bones. Ooh. Okay.
Today I was not at school because I was sick, so Tatai cooked me pork bone soup with noodles and it was really good. It started snowing outside, which was great, but not great for me because I couldn't enjoy it since I was sick. And because of the cold weather, so Tatai decided to cook this. Now Tatai is preparing my food and you can see that I'm going to be really excited to try this. I might not look like it, but I am in the inside. So it was really nice. The bones that gave me a really big piece of meat. I didn't even finish it, but it was really good because my throat was sore and it kind of helped me, I would say, because warm and it's nice. And I'm really enjoying it. But I would ask Tatai to cook this again if I'm sick. So please, Tatai.
Nothing to do after playing chess, baking, Sophia is really good. Yeah.
I mean, my cookies are not that good anymore because they're not working out really great.
As long as it's edible, it's okay. Yeah. Right?
Yeah, I guess so. But it's like so sticky and it won't. It's like sticky at the same time, but it just won't stick to the cookie. I mean, to the chocolate. I mean.
Okay, I'll wait for it, yeah?
Okay, but you already ate a lot of chocolate.
Yeah, no? Yeah.
I think you should have made more batter.
Okay. Wow, ito na yung cookies ni Pinkay.
I mean, the shape is kind of bad. But
No, it's okay. Wow.
So do you want one?
Can I try it?
But they're too sweet in my opinion.
The best. Namaos na ako sa kakaubo. Delicious. Good.
Co to są za susienki krasne?
Gagawa ko ng salabat. Konti lang. Isang baso. Tapos lagyan ko ng honey. May nabasa ako sa comment section. Idea ninyo na mga followers, subscribers na magsalabat ako with lemon and honey. So ito, nagpakulo ako ng ginger. I boiled ginger. This is the idea of our subscribers. It's good for the cough.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Ginger.
Let's try. So, salabat to. Yeah. Isa lang. Kalahati.
It's gonna be so spicy.
Yeah.
Ginger.
With honey. Okay. I think it's too much. And then I think I'm gonna put some lemon on it. Squeeze lemon a little bit. I think that's okay. Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know.
That's okay. And then I think this is good for Sophia, but I don't know. Will Sophia like this? Lemon, honey.
Yeah.
Honey. Pure honey. Is this pure honey? Oh, man-made honey.
I don't know. It's honey. It doesn't say that.
How many like this?
Until it's gonna be
Sweet?
sweet.
Subukan natin tong salabat na tinatawag with lemon. Kasi yung ubo ko talagang it's hard cough. Wow!
Spicy.
Spicy, yeah.
It's too much, no? This ginger.
No, it's the honey helps. Yung ubo, talaga yung ubo, hindi ka makatulog sa gabi. So nilagay ko yung mataas na unan. Parang naka-incline na talaga ako. Talagang hinahamon niya na ako palagi ng chess. She was able to checkmated me today.
I mean, but that always wins. That was one of the only times I've ever checkmated him.
She's getting good. She's getting better. Yeah, keep going.
I don't know how to move. Okay.
You can do that.
Sorry. I'm hard to move.
At least naiwasan yung time niya sa phone. Chess. Matagal na itong chessboard. When we were in England, I bought this. And then, but recently, nagkaroon siya ng interests sa paglalaro ng chess. Nakaka-addict ka naman yung chess. Lalo na kapag talo ka palagi.
I mean, I've always known how to play chess, but I kind of got bored while being sick. So
Alright, okay. Let's continue this.
It's not good.
Hmm. At least you reach this point. Huh?
Okay, I better start running away now.
I'm running away. Yeah. As a queen. Oh, give me the queen. Oh,
Queen is here.
oh yeah. You move. So, of course, I'm going to Kudal. Yeah. Kudal. Oh, no, check.
How's it check? Because if I'm here.
Oh, check. Okay. Checkmate. But I'm so proud of you. You improve a lot because you have reached this point. See? Usually,
In 3 moves again.
in 3 moves, I checkmated you.
Yeah. Again?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Alright, okay. Tingnan natin ngayon dito sa labas. Tunaw na yung mga snow. Ito na yung itsura ngayon dito sa labas. Pero umaambon. At kailangan natin lumanghap ng sariwang hangin. Kahit na hindi maganda pakiramdam natin. Maka-inhale, exhale man lang tayo. Yan ganyan. So ito na, wala na. Tapos na yung snow. Ang snow nagsimula nung Sunday. At ngayon ay Tuesday. Yan. Tingnan natin dito sa harap. Sobrang tahimik ng village, no? Yan. Kita niyo yung kahoy, basa, di ba? Pero pag nilagay na yan doon sa pugon, wala yan, sunog pa rin yan. Yung pugon talaga, no? Pag naglalagablab na yung pugon. Yan, ito yung village, oh. Foggy. Yan. Okay. Sisi. Okay. Yung sa comment section, may nagsabi bakit ko raw pinapala at tinatapon sa kabilang bakod yung snow. Baka dumagalit yung kapitbahay. Ito po yun dito. Ito po yun. Ito ay harapan po ito ng bahay ni Nahana. Ito yung front garden nila na maliit. So dito ko tinatapon. Matutunaw din naman yan. Yan, tunaw na nga, oh. Tubig yan eh. Pagiging tubig yan. So yung mga natira dito wala na. Ubo ko talaga ang hindi kaya. Grabe. So malamig kasi panahon. Yan. Lumabas lang ako para mag-inhale dito. Para sa lungs. Okay. Akit na ako. Sisi. Puchek.